Never pay taxes again? Barry, are you kidding, right? No, this video is about to blow your mind, where you're here to learn how Jeff Bezos pays no income tax, Warren Buffett, Donald Trump, they all cut the line, they are the richest earners in the world, and how come they pay less income tax than us? Well, we'll tell you here, you're going to learn it right here, right now, here at the best show on town, Financial Guru. Yes, indeed. I'm going to show you 4 tips of how the rich and famous avoid paying tax. And by using these simple tricks, you can become wealthy as well. Don't go anywhere. You're about to learn from Financial Guru. Yes, tax is your friend if you use it wisely. Well, boom! Welcome, guys and gals, to the channel. Yes, we're first going to look at about no more taxes is buy real estate. Yes, buy real estate. Robert Kiyosaki. The keys for buying real estate is the method is of years to grow your empire through real estate. So how does this help out with tax? So let's put it simpler for you. When you're buying a house at 200K and within a year it goes to 400K, usually you would pay 200K in profit, but if you reinvest it into another house, no more tax. All you have to do is repeat. Then you'll go to 800K, 1.6 million, 3.2 million, 6.4 million, and the list goes on until you are rich as a daisy. It's not as simple as that, but if you show some grit, you may be if you buy in the right areas where there is growth in that particular area, you can see good, decent growth and stop paying taxes by buying real estate. Yes, you can buy real estate and make money with no tax. The second way to never pay taxes again is to subscribe to the channel so you get more from your favorite educator, Financial Guru. All joking aside, the second one here is to stop earning money. That is the number 2 tip. Yes. What does that mean? Well, I'm telling you now, quit your day job and start a business right now. If you really want to not have to pay taxes, this is what you need to do. Now, that doesn't mean you have to start right now, stop your job right now. You can get your business plan up and running, get your loan ready, and then boom, hit the jackpot. But this is what you need to do if you want to have not a 9-to-5 job, 3 to 11 job, working the midnight oil. Get taxed. You're going to be working even longer, to be honest, but you can have no tax. So how do you stop now? So how do you stop your earnings? How do you now? This is what you need to do when you're starting a business. How do you stop paying? So basically, when you have a business, so say you take out a loan of 200K, trying to make it nice and simple for you guys out there, and you get to the end of the year and you find out that you've got 50K left to spend. What should we do with that 50K in your wallet? Should we spend it on? Should we take it out as earnings? No! That's the last thing you want to do. If you do that, you'll get taxed 50%. That's 25K out the door. See you later. You need to spend it on your business. How do you spend it on your business so you can avoid the tax man? Well, this is what you need to do. This is not financial advice. See a tax professional before you start any of this right here and not listening to a random person like me on YouTube. If you want, for me, with that 50K, you need to look at ways to expand your business, whether it's buying new premises to add new clientele, advertise in that new area and your current area to get more foot traffic instead of the IRS getting all your money. Spending on new business partnerships, education for yourself and colleagues, so your workforce is going up in scale. So in the long run, so your business can make more money. So you've got to find ways that your business is going to make more money. Whether you've got to invest in some more equipment that will help scale you more. If that's an AI system, which it costs a lot more than that, but stuff like that. If you really want to go to that next level, this is the stuff you need to look to, that's going to make you growth. Go do some research. This is another option. This is stuff you can invest into with that 50K. And what happens if you get down to zero and don't take any money out? You will pay zero tax. Yes, because you are not earning a dime, and that's what you need to do. So we're looking at ways to improve the quality of the business as well as paying no taxes. Now, so the aim is not to have an income. That is how you stop paying tax. That's one way of stop paying tax. And number 3, to never pay tax again, is by using debt to your advantage. Yes, follow the great Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Steve Jobs, Robert Kiyosaki, Donald Trump, and so on, who use debt to their advantage. Do not follow Dave Ramsey. Just kidding. You can live a life without debt. It is another option. But if you want to make real wealth, you need to use debt. So just to give you some context here, in recent history, we had Elon Musk who received a payment for his shares. They were from when pretty much he started at Tesla, and he was going to get it about 10 years later. Just a short version of it. So when he got those shares, he had to decide whether to sell and pay the tax, or should he get a loan? Maybe that's where he should get a loan and use that money somewhere else. Now this is where you can avoid the tax. Instead of receiving an income, you can buy yourself another house. This is ways you can get a tax break. If you're being strategic, I will talk more about this later. So, for instance, Tesla shares were bought, say, at $200 and went up to $1,000. You can ask for a loan on those shares to use the shares as collateral and reinvest that money back into your business or into real estate to build your empire, or any other way you think you're going to invest in gold, etc., to improve your multiple sources of income. So you borrow against your asset, which was the stock, to create more assets for you. So while you're paying back that loan at 5, 6, 7%, as it has risen lately, you're making 10% or more on stocks. So you are on your way to financial freedom. Obviously, you want to get a stock like Meta or the video lately that's gone flying to the moon, but that's not always the case. As long as you're making some decent money is where you need to go in the stock market. Now, and also you can be receiving more income because you've just bought a house for investment, and you're getting more income that goes onto the investment. That makes you more money because later on you can buy another house without drawing any earnings from that building. That's why a lot of people like to go into negative growth, because you can use that to offset your taxes as well. The same when you sell a stock at a loss, you can use that to tax for the years to come. These are just other ways to help you cut down your tax bill, folks. Let's get to number 4, the final one on this list of ways to not pay any more tax is through property. Yes, this is not financial advice. This is what you need to do, and this is what it is. It's tax deductions, baby. It's not tax deduction. So this can be on your business. It can be, this is the main one we're going to talk about here. Sorry, it wasn't property, it was a mistake. But for instance, you can buy a laptop for your business, a car for your business that you could use to depreciate over time and get lower and lower. Yeah, and just write it off as a tax break. Business trips, buying lunch for your staff. So what most people do, they work the 9 to 5 job. And they say they job, they earn, they get taxed, and then they spend. But if you're a businessman, you want to earn, to spend, then tax last. And hopefully you won't have to pay much tax at all, or none at all. If you remember from earlier, the mindset should be, where can I spend money to decrease my taxes or eliminate them altogether? You may not be able to get to 100% of all your taxes, but you can get as close as possible. So get a tax professional before you start doing this sort of thing. Not financial advice. If you can educate yourself to cut down your earnings, what you can do here with if you tax deductible, so basically you write off the laptop as an expense, so to the business, the car expense to the business, anything that adds to the business. Same if you buy software for the business, hardware, you write that off as a tax break as well. This is all stuff you can do to make yourself tax free. So tax is not your enemy. It can be your friend if you use it wisely. If you want to start a business, I think it's good for you to get a good accountant. I think that's the first thing you need to do, as well as get good mentors that are in the business industry that you're in, that understand where you want to go into the future, and give you the ideas and learn from their mistakes and learn from their strengths and really grow your business from there. And hopefully you will avoid tax. So I hope you start your journey towards financial freedom right here, right now, by looking at new ways to try and not pay as much to the tax man and have more money going into your pocket for you to invest into your future, add wealth to you. If you like this video, remember to sprinkle love over the like button right there, click, so you can get financial gain. Subscribe to the channel so we can make the world a better place for you and me. And share this video with all your like-minded friends and have a chance to change their money habits forever. Well, that's enough from me, from Barry Charles. I hope you enjoyed the video and got a lot out of it. I will talk about more about other videos. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like me to talk about in videos to come. Otherwise, I will see you at the next video.